Okay guys, welcome to the shop again. I'm going to do a little different video today. Not really different, but a little bit different. So when I go tip-up fishing through the ice, I usually don't bother bringing a fish finder. You can, but it's just one more thing to grab and lug around. So what I like to do is use these weighted alligator clips to find the bottom, so I know what depth I need to be fishing at. Most of the time I'm fishing right off the bottom, and I just want to get high enough to where the crawdads don't eat my bait. And yet the fish will swim through and see my live minnow or whatever I've got waiting for them. So what we're going to do today, I got an old mold. It's an old sinker mold. And it makes these little kind of a bell sinker. And I have kind of modified this to where it will accept these alligator hooks or clips, and we're going to make a few depth finders today. See how. So these ones have a little Phillips screw. I'm just going to take that out and discard it, and then we'll see how she fits in the mold. It's been a while since I've built these, so I'll put it in the mold there. Crimp her down. Kind of just, that material that this is made of is a little soft, so if there's any high spots, it kind of takes care of it. I wouldn't normally do this, but a little bird's telling me I should probably throw a clamp on that just so we don't have any flashing. So that's what I'm going to do. Listen to the little bird. No sense doing it twice. Okay, so I've got my clamps rigged up. Just a sloppy weld on a clamp and an impact. Saves me from twisting and twisting to tighten things up. We'll throw some lead in this and see what it looks like. Let that cure for a second. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of cleanup, but not too much. It's gonna be good. Okay, so I'll take the sprue and just bend it off. And I'm gonna take my gate pliers and we'll just kind of clean up the edges here. Might even take my sandpaper how I do, clean that up a little more. Did get a little bit down in the void there, but that should clean up okay. So I had a little bit of flashing down into the mechanism of the alligator clip, but I heated it on my heat gun, and it just tapped it. It came right out. So if I was to do it again, maybe I'd do it a little different. But I'm going to try to clog up the next one to where it won't do that. We'll see how that goes. But as you can see, so far so good. I'm going to take a step drill bit. Electricians use them quite a bit. And I'll just take it to 2x4. Measure my depth there. So we'll do something like that. We'll skip the top three. That'll give us our depth. So right there is where I want to be. Okay, so it looks like I got 5 of these alligator clips. So I'm going to drill me 5 holes. So I'm just going to do these one at a time, just see if I can get this figured out. There we go. A little bit better on that one. Okay, so should be able to just wiggle this a little bit, get it to come out. There you have it. Little sinker. Wait, I'll put some color on that. I like to put bright yellows, bright orange, and even pink, so that when you're fiddling around you can find it. Not perfect, but not bad. That'll get us on the fish in the ice. Okay, we'll throw on a little yellow here. What's wrong with that? Not a thing. So that orange comes out real red at first, but then when it cures, it's a bright fluorescent, just like you expect. So now, this year when I'm on Fort Peck, I won't have to ask my buddy James for a weight. Last year I just could not find mine. I've got dozens of them here at the shop, at my house, but when they're out on the lake, I just couldn't find them. Of course, the last day I probably found them, I can't remember. But hopefully we'll have a few more this year and lay them around just like tape measures on a job site. So hopefully we can find them when we need them. So I didn't have too many of those turn out on the mold earlier, so that's why we resorted to the wood, but we got one good one, and I'll work on that. But we'll get hit and paint it up, see what we think. We're gonna do this one pretty in pink. That, my friends, will get her done. We'll get her hung up. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed that video. Just a little hack, making your own depth finders for ice fishing. We'll catch you on the next one. Tight lines.